How to set up Reddit ads. Welcome to Glitz Sorcerer and let's get right into this tutorial. To set up your Reddit ad, you need to create a Reddit ad account. In order to do so, you can log in into your existing Reddit account or a new one, especially focusing for advertising. Or you can head to ads.reddit.com, then log in using your existing Reddit account as well. You need to fill out the registration details, including your business information and preferred currency. From here, you need to select a campaign for your creation flow. Reddit ads offer two campaign creation options. One is simple and another is advanced. If you select on Simple Create, this is ideal if you are a beginner. It is meant to be targeting for the elements like targeting, budgeting, and ad creativity. If you select on Advanced, it is more about greater control and customization. You can set specific goal, target, precise demographic, and manage multiple ad groups as well. After that, the third step is to define your campaign goal. What do you want your ad to achieve? Common goals include driving traffic to your website, to generate brand awareness, or increase app installment. For the last step, you need to target your audience. For this, it will verify some of the targeting options, that is demographic, interest, communities, and devices. You have to set a budget and bidding strategy as well. And finally, you can create your own ad. Once it is reviewed, go ahead and launch it. Always make sure to double check your campaign details, targeting budget, and ad creative before launching. You can also track and analyze performance of each campaign via your Reddit Ads Manager. Now go ahead and give this a try. We hope that we were able to help you. Thank you so much for tuning in.